Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel again. You see me I say? So yeah man, we there again for another reasoning, you see it? And today we see Freelance Tizzy are going with a little rant like she get really frustrated. I mean I say wait, let me see what I go on here, sir. I mean here Tizzy I say she a go quit the internet and it's like a little man a bully her on the internet. Draw some accusation say him lose some stuff. So people rob him at the Airbnb and whatever.
But I come here to say I'm going to stop posts on the internet. I'm not even going to edit this. I'm going to stop posts on the internet because this particular person is sending me threats, which I know he's going to do me for allegations that he was robbed here at Chucky'S place, and Chucky have a lot to do with it. That's what he's saying, false allegation. But if he robbed and he knew that it was my dad, why he didn't report it to the police? One, why is now when my dad is dead, he's trying to come out and say these things, and he's trying to threaten my life, threaten my kids' life, and my kids' safety come first. When you try and say stuff about me, I have no problem. But when you're going to touch my kids, that is where it get really personal. I'm not going to do. Honestly, I don't feel like I'm going to do anything anymore because I'm getting really frustrated. I can't manage. The other day I came here because the wire burst down, and I just get electrician. Yesterday morning, electrician come and fix it for me. He's saying that I'm here asking money to pay my electricity bill. Nobody's asking money to pay electricity bill. Somebody suggests that I should get I not even remember solar power, and I said it's good. So if you want to help me with the solar power, then you can donate so we can buy it. I didn't came here and asking for bill. My dad buried. I could have come here and say, hey guys, I'll donate to my dad's funeral. No, I did not do that. But somebody suggests something and I'm working with it. So I just feel like I'm not going to post anymore. I'm not going to do anymore because from you touch my kids, that is very personal. I'm not going to say, I'm not going to take this. You can disrespect me, but leave my 2-year-old and my 5-year-old of it because they're innocent. They're innocent. Very innocent. They did not trouble anybody. And even Chucky don't trouble nobody. Chucky's a peacemaker. Chucky doing this business over 30 years, and all of a sudden, one guy, and I see people that is very rich come here and just throw down their things, and they even go away, leave it, and come back and see it here. So he's telling a lie on my dad, and he's from the UK. I'm going to, just because I'm not so literate about YouTube, that's why I don't know how to put the pictures and the pieces in there, but I'm going to let somebody do that for me. I'm just tired of this dude. He's saying that Shane lose gold and I have gold chain. Shane lose gold and I have gold chain. When Shane was here, I think it was last year, and my dad died in May, and this is when I purchased this chain. This chain is not even $30 US. So what he's talking about? And then you're going to tell me that if I don't find Shane chain or whatever that my dad took, you're going to slash my kid's throat? I'm not about that life. I'm finished with YouTube. I don't even want nobody to know my location. I'm going to move. I'm finished because because he's spreading false allegations. I can't bother. I just can't bother with everything. I just buried my dad. It is so too much. Everybody is here saying they're freelance Chucky friend. Nobody is Chucky's friend. Chucky only have loyal fans. Chucky doesn't have any friend. Nobody showed up for my dad. It was only me and few family members, and 2 YouTubers showed up at my dad's funeral.
See? Me did see some little argument like that from at all at times still. But me feel like I say them things they when kinda you understand? Just move on from and quash down differently still and dead down like you understand the levels? Cause I'm sure I say differently still. the person who they accuse, the person who losing things, me nah go say him never losing things because me don't know. You understand? So a man know in experience, and a man experience might lead him to draw certain kind of allegation or hold certain kind of suspicion. See? But if you did suspect, say, Freelance have something to do with it, see? And you see that the man there, him gone, him the there for either defend himself or for admit, say, him away part of it. So we don't know. See? So when time you are going to use that then now for bully the daughter now and start to threaten the daughter to make the daughter I feel them kind of way, you know. Differently still, me feel like I say, yes, overstep your bounds, you know. You see me I say, and I just my opinion differently still, because me sure say, whatever you will lose in that time there when you get robbed, me sure say it no cost somebody else's life, it no cost the value of somebody else's life. So if you go use them kind of threatening kind of thing there to the daughter to the point where she start to get fearful now, she a go say she want to leave her father place and she a go find somewhere to run away. Them kind of things, you understand? It just coming like I say a stupidness from one level, you know. You see it, because what amount of things so you could have lose? What amount of equipment and what the cost of them kind of things there? You understand? To his part, it reach his part, you talk about the youth them, the data youth them like in a them kind of way there. If what she say are true. And based on how she look, me not have no doubt whether or not she thinks you understand she truthful about what she has said about the eye. See? And Tizzy, same way with the eye, same way to Tizzy. Because me talk to you differently still, you know. And me sure you say you have certain kind of vibration where people love your father for. And you see that vibration there, a Rastafari. See? You see the people them who you want to run to get certain kind of support. You realize you run from all over the world. Come to your father to get that kind of vibration there. So that means that the vibration where your father will have, it really valuable. See? And at that I want you to do right here now differently still. This is my advice to you. Whether you want to take it or not. Because me know say as young people and people who been influenced by Christian-minded people. Christian-minded people, the ordinary Christian-minded people, them see Rasta as little or nothing. See? The vibration of Rasta people love it because of the openness, the freeness, the genuine vibration where Rasta give off. See? That people love. And that's something where you can't fake. You can't fake it. You have to live it because it's a lifestyle. See? Them kind of people that when me see you are run towards figure get some kind of help from. And that you want to go back to your roots, be rootical. Give off the rootical vibration there. So people are say your father light a shine through you. See? At that you have to do. Come off of the internet as you say. Nobody depend on internet one whole heap of live and You understand? It's almost like you're idle on the internet. See? What you have to do is go back to drawing board, because watch ya. Me then hate to see your father legacy just go to waste like that. You know? See? But what me want you to do is go back to your drawing board. Structure a plan. Get proper advice from people who do business. But watch ya. You want to get advice from people who do a business like your dad's. See? So you know, I got to know everybody Airbnb. Go to people who have Rasta vibration. Because that are the vibration where you need to get to grasp. You see, while you're off of the internet, I want you to start to pay more attention to some natural place. Some place where have some natural resort. You understand? Places where mainly controlled by Rasta or Rasta like-minded people. See? Start to pay attention to some Rasta ladies. See? Learn their vibes. Absorb their energy. Learn the vibration. And start to live it. You understand? And run down one whole heap of interview with some people and ask you some little low-minded question. And you have to improvise and it sound like you're there all over a place. Because really, you know, Tizzy, sometimes it coming like I say, trust me, man, it coming like you now learn sometime differently still. You understand? And as a big brother, sometimes I feel like I say, you need a shaking up the differently still. You see? Because watch ya, man. Me no want to see your father legacy go to waste. You have a diamond mine in your hand. See? What you have to do is just get back to your roots. Start learn to accept where you go wrong and stop use different kind of like ways of try to make it seem like I say you're not showing no remorse about some things, because them things they have a way where we come back and haunt you because of vibration you have put out there. And you have to learn to accept them kind of things there. Learn to accept when you're wrong and humble to it. And don't bother go regurgitate the same kind of things them where you went say one time and say. You understand? No make we have to go back over them kind of things, man. But all of them things, it show genuine character. See? And that people want from you. They want to see you exemplify that genuine freelance, natural vibration where your father went have. You understand? Yeah, people. So you can listen what Tizzy say and yeah. But in the meantime, it might sound like I go off on a rant on her still, but Jano start. Yeah. Tizzy, I want you to get this thing together and don't feel threatened by some of them little idle argument where some people might have put out. You see it? Stay more focused on your business. Learn the energy of propel your business. Believe in yourself. Believe in your father energy. See? Because it worked for your father. Make it work for you. But learn it. You understand? It might seem like you learn it the hard way. But learn it nevertheless. See? And I hope what may I say to you, you not take it wrong and take it the wrong way. You see it? Because the intention of help you to get it together. You understand? Get your mind right. You understand? And once you get your mind right, your action go follow. Yeah, man. So once you give thanks to the moment, man, and go and bless up the eye themselves. Click the like and the subscription button. You see that? You understand? Catch me on the next video. Rastafari live.